In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make click-to-call email WhatsApp in Elementor WordPress. We're going to set up simple buttons that let your visitors call you, email you, or message you on WhatsApp with just one click. This is really useful for contact pages, sales pages, or any spot where you want people to reach you quickly. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left and click on Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page where you want to add your click-to-call, email, or WhatsApp button. Hover your mouse over that page title and a few options will appear underneath. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open that page inside the Elementor page builder. When Elementor loads, you'll see your page in the main area and on the left side, a panel with all the available widgets. In that left panel, scroll until you find the button widget. Click and drag the button widget onto the part of the page where you want your contact button to appear. You can place it in a section, a column, or wherever it fits best in your design. Once the button is in place, its settings will show up on the left panel. Make sure the button type is set to default. Then edit the button text so it clearly tells visitors what it does. For example, call us, email us, or chat on WhatsApp. Now, in the link field, you'll add a special type of link depending on what you want the button to do. For a click-to-call button, type tell, followed by your phone number with no spaces. This tells phones to open the dialer when someone taps the button. For a click-to-email button, type mail to, followed by your email address. When someone clicks it, their email app will open a new message to that address. For a WhatsApp click-to-chat button, type https://w@me followed by your full WhatsApp number in international format, again with no spaces or symbols. After you've set up the link and you're happy with the text and position of the button, go to the bottom or top of the Elementor panel and click Update if the page already exists, or Publish if it's a new page. Your page will now have a fully working click-to-call, email, or WhatsApp button in Elementor on WordPress.